Hello, it's Sunday the 28th of October 2018 and we're in Dingwall at Dingwall Middle Level Crossing on the Kyle of Lochalsh Line. Today is this level crossing's last day of operation as a half barrier crossing, as tonight it closes for upgrade work and reopens in 2 weeks' time on Monday the 12th of November, converted to an automatic full barrier crossing locally monitored. This is one of 3 road crossings in Dingwall, all on the Kyle of Lochalsh Line. They are named Dingwall No. 1, Dingwall Middle and Dingwall No. 2. People often wonder why they're called 1, Middle and 2 rather than 1, 2 and 3. That is because this road here, the A862, is relatively new and was built in the 1970s to carry the A9 through the town. Number 1 crossing is a short distance up the line towards the station and can be seen from this crossing. It is currently an automatic open level crossing, locally monitored. The last one still an open crossing on the far north or Kyle lines. This crossing, along with Dingwall No. 2, was upgraded from an automatic open crossing in 2013, with the half barriers added to the existing equipment to make it an AOCL+B. Like many AOCL+B conversions, it features barriers in front of the wigwag traffic lights. The work to upgrade the crossing has been going on for the past few weeks, so quite a lot of the new equipment is in place already. Both offside barriers are in place, currently wrapped in black plastic. New wigwags are on the ground waiting to be installed. The new barriers appear to be longer than the existing half barriers. The train driver's red-white signal is in place on both sides in front of the existing one. This is the 11:34 departure from Dingwall, going from Inverness to Kyle of Lochalsh. One 58712. We're now at Dingwall No. 1 level crossing, where the work to upgrade is also well underway. The offside barriers are both in place and the bases for the 2 nearside barriers are also installed. Part of the road surface has been replaced already. The poles for the driver's warning light signals are also in place. It seems they have installed several small electrical cabinets here instead of a large cabin. I assume there isn't room in the space between the fence and the track. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel to keep up to date with the work on these level crossings. Also check out my Instagram for photos and other short clips.